This is a 2017 Alumacraft Tournament Pro 185CS. Comes with a trailer, spare tire, swing tongue, has a full cover. It's a 150 Mercury 4-stroke and a 9.9 Pro kicker with command thrust. Ladder on the back. We'll go inside here. Really nice setup. It does have the Alumatrac system with some rod holders and cup holders. About 180 hours on it. 2 throttles there. Does have 2 Lowrance graphs. A walleye one. Infinity stereo, tilt steering, 2 live wells. Has a motor guide, XI5 trolley motor with 80-pound thrust. It does have the pedal control and the remote. Windshield. 4 fishing seats. Come check this one out at SkipperBud's in Antioch.